Huge jobs report, new software development jobs coming back. Now, you've probably heard all the doom and gloom about the software development job market. So it's been a rocky few years. 2022, 2023, and even the first half of 2024 felt like getting sucker punched. But here's the kicker. There's a massive report suggesting a turnaround, and guess what? Software developer jobs are set to make a big comeback by the end of 2024, heading into 2025. Yep, you're talking about new opportunities, more positions, and much needed lift in the tech space. And if you've been thinking about joining the field, stay tuned because you'll want to hear what's coming up. Welcome back to Starter Pack. I'm Spencer Thomason, and here at Starter Pack, we love to train software developers in our licensed coding bootcamp and build custom software solutions. I do a lot of work as a fractional CTO with over a decade of executive leadership and a solid 25 years in software development. I've mastered the art of transforming technology teams and products. So let's dive right in here. So the data is in. According to the latest reports, we're seeing the first signs of recovery in the software development market. Companies have been in survival mode, cutting back and freezing hiring, but the tides are turning. Now, in the end of 2024 predictions, we're showing that demand for engineers will be up, particularly in sectors like cloud computing, AI, and security. This is huge news. In short, while the downturn may have felt endless, there's light at the end of the tunnel for software developers. Now, a major factor driving this comeback is the rise of AI and machine learning. AI is evolving, but it still needs humans to push its boundaries and develop innovative solutions. Even though automation has been a concern, the truth is that developers will be needed now more than ever to design, implement, and maintain AI-powered systems. So that's right, AI isn't replacing us, it's partnering with us. For all you future developers, this is the kind of job market you want to jump into. So while big tech companies have been the ones making headlines for layoffs, the smaller and mid-sized players are ramping up. Startups, mid-sized companies, and those working in niche industries like health tech and fintech are still on the hunt for developers. This means more job openings and more opportunities to work on innovative projects that actually make a difference. So now's your time to get your foot in the door in these high-growth sectors. Now, the biggest misconception right now is that it's the bad time to enter the field, and this is wrong. If you've been hesitant to dive into coding, stop waiting. This is prime time to start training so that by the time 2025 rolls around, you'll be perfectly positioned to take advantage of the new wave of opportunities. And if your company has systems that aren't connected, let us help you out. Here at Starter Pack, our specialty is connecting systems to help your company work like a well-oiled machine. So check out starterpack.com/Spencer because we can help you out. Now, one of the biggest trends going into 2025 is remote work. Companies have figured out that developers can work from anywhere, and this flexibility is going to be open up even more in jobs globally. If you've got the skills, it doesn't matter where you are, opportunities will be knocking on your door. So, not to mention, salaries are starting to just peak back a little bit. Reports are showing that the compensation packages that dropped during the downturn are just starting to peak back up. So whether it's a startup or an established company, developers with the right skill set can be in high demand. So keep sharpening those skills because companies will be ready to invest in talent again here very soon. Now, another key driver of job growth is the need for digital transformation. Companies in nearly every sector are shifting more and more of their businesses online. From e-commerce to banking, digital solutions are needed more than ever. And who's building those platforms? That's right, it's the software developers. The opportunities here are endless. Now, let's not forget about the role of engineering managers. A surprise uptick in software engineering management roles is already being seen, and it's expected to continue to grow. Companies will need experienced developers to lead new projects and manage teams and drive innovation. If you're thinking about advancing your career in leadership, 2025 might be the year to do this. And if your company is struggling to stay connected, don't wait. Starter Pack has got you covered. Our expertise is in connecting systems to ensure your business runs smoothly no matter how complex your infrastructure. So check out starterpack.com/Spencer to see how we can help you out. Now, another trend that's helping this resurgence is the recurring of ZIRP, zero interest rate policy. This means cheaper money for companies to invest in growth. Now, we're definitely not going to see zero interest rates again anytime soon, but as interest rates continue to lower, we'll see that companies begin to start spending more. So in tech, this is a huge thing because software developers, engineers, and IT teams are going to be at the heart of these investments. Now, the practices within engineering itself are also evolving. Agile, DevOps, and continuous integration are driving the need for skilled developers who understand not only the code, but also the systems and pipelines that move code into production faster than ever before. The more you know about these processes, the more valuable you'll be in the growing market. So don't sleep on engineering practices coming back in vogue either. Sure, the trends change, but solid fundamentals in things like testing, version control, and system architecture will never go out of style. As more companies wake up to these realities, they're hiring developers who can be the do-it-all person, a full-stack developer. So to sum it all up, this new jobs report is the green light developers have been waiting for. The end of 2024 is really looking to shape up. We know that going into that, 2024 was rough, no doubt. But as the second half of the year wraps up and we head into 2025, we're poised for a revival. So if you're training right now or looking to level up your skills, stay here because the future of a developer is looking bright. Now, what are your thoughts? Do you agree? Do you disagree? I love to have a great discussion, so leave a comment down below and make sure to like and subscribe. Here at Starter Pack, we love to train software developers in our licensed coding boot camps and to build custom software solutions for companies. So hit the link down below or check out starterpack.com/Spencer today.